The student wants to make and support a generalization about the alpha conflict. So two things we need. We make generalization and we need to support it with some evidence. In 1978, Sami activists staged protests to block construction of a dam on the Alta River in Norway. So here is the cause of conflict. Construction of a dam. Okay, and next line, the dam would disrupt Samis fishing and reindeer herding. So this is the reason why Samis are upset. Okay, the dam was ultimately built, but Alta conflict has lasting impact. Okay, so you can see that Samis did not give up and they are continuing to fight for their rights. In line 4, it brought international attention to the issue of Sami's right. Okay, so it got international attention means that it's the evidence that support that lasting impact. Because if not, then how do we know, or what criteria are we judging the lasting impact, right? So this is one of the evidence. And it led to a set of 2005 legal protections establishing Sami's rights to land, water, and resources. So this protection is another evidence how the lasting impact is supported. Okay, so we have to mention something about lasting impact, international attention, and legal protection. And these two be the support about the lasting impact of the conflict. So let's look at choice A here. During the Alta conflict, Sami activists staged protests to block the construction of a dam on the Alta River in Norway that would disrupt local fishing and reindeer herding. So that's line 1 and 2. Now line 1 and 2 is not making a generalization about the Alta conflict. Okay, it does talk about the conflict, but it doesn't talk. It also does not support the generalization. So choice A is incorrect. Again, we need the generalization and also support of this conflict. And this lasting impact is a good example of this student's note. So line 2, not line 2. Choice B, although the dam had Sami activists had protested was ultimately built, the Alta conflict had a lasting impact. Okay, so it did make a generalization. The conflict had a lasting impact, but it didn't support. So it's missing 2. Second part about supporting it with the evidence. So B is not correct. Choice C, Sami's right to land, water, and resource received international attention and legal protection as a result of. So this does support the generalization about the Alta conflict, but it does not make generalization. So it's missing 1. The Alta conflict had a lasting impact, resulting in international attention and legal protection for Sami's right to land. So there we have the second part with international attention and legal protection. Those will be the evidence 1, evidence 2. Alta conflict had lasting impact. That's a generalization. So they made a generalization. 1. So because it addressed 1 and 2, the correct answer should be D.